and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to secure accounts with password manager. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to secure your account with password manager, you need to simply create a strong master password. Enable two-factor authentication for the vault and use the generator to create unique, complex, or 16+ character password for every site. You can also install browser extensions, sync across devices, and use autofill to protect against phishing. So you can use the password manager's built-in security dashboard to check for weak, reused, or compromised passwords in the breach database. Never share your master password and install the app on your computer, phone, and tablet to keep your credentials updated everywhere. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.